Hello and welcome to Healthy Life with Kimmi. Well, today I'm talking about, should you weigh daily or should you weigh weekly? So for myself, I think I'm going to be weighing daily. For those of you who are new to my channel, I talk about how I'm in search of a healthy lifestyle. So I won't be doing it perfectly, but I am embarking on doing Weight Watchers. I have started it. I love it. And now today I'm going to be talking about, should you weigh daily or weekly? So I think I'll be weighing in weekly. Occasionally I might step on the scale midweek or something like that, but I'll actually be documenting my numbers, I think, weekly. Why? Because if I do it daily, and the scale tends to fluctuate up and down. Some people don't even believe in getting on the scale, but Weight Watchers does want you to get on the scale. If you get on every day, you might be frustrated, overwhelmed. You may sadden yourself because it may not move every single day. It's a lot of reasons why the scale doesn't move every day. It might be water weight. Maybe you had something that was super salty. Maybe you cooked something with soy in it. We know soy sauce has a lot of salt. You might have had some chips one day, treated yourself, and then the next day your scale is like, ooh, what happened? And it may just be water weight. As women, we have our menstrual cycles, so that happens. So you're extra bloated sometimes. As you become middle age also, your scale may take a little bit longer to move, and we hold on to water retention and everything. So as far as weighing daily or weekly, again, I think it might stress you out. So for myself, I will be doing weekly, as I stated. And do you weigh with your clothes on? Do you weigh with them off? All of those kind of things will make a difference when it comes to the number on the scale. And we all wanted to move. My mom used to always say, I would tell her, because I was doing like the elliptical or treadmill or something, and I would tell my mother, I used to say, yeah, I'm losing inches. And she would always say, what does the scale say? What does the scale say? She would always say that. And I would get so mad at her because I'm like, I knew I was losing based on my clothes. And as you continue to add working out to your regimen, probably you will lose inches sometimes and may not see a number move on the scale. So again, was that always encouraging for my mama to say that? Not necessarily. But it did make me go get on the scale sometimes. And sometimes it would have moved and sometimes it would not. So I do use my clothes as an indicator, as if as whether or not I'm doing good or not. I don't know if that's the right way to look at it, but I do use my my clothes. If they're too tight, I know it's a problem. If they loosen up a little bit, I use that as a plus. So again, you let me know in the comments. I'm just curious, do you weigh daily or do you weigh weekly? And how does it affect your mindset when you weigh daily and you don't see anything happen? I know for myself, it can be discouraging. And that's my habit in the past, is to weigh daily. And it doesn't move. And I'm like, dang, but yesterday I didn't really eat nothing. Or I didn't do this, or I didn't do that. So why is the scale not moving? It could be as any of the number of reasons that we already talked about. So that being the case, to eliminate some of that disappointment, I think I'll be doing weekly. So just curious, let me know what you're going to be doing. Well, until next time, I just wanted to hop in and say hello, have that little chat with you. This is Healthy Life with Kimmi, and let me know again in the comments, do you weigh daily or do you weigh weekly? And again, how does it affect your mindset? Because we want to win out there. Well, much success to you, and I will see you in the next video. Don't forget, click, like, subscribe, and all that good stuff. Bye.